Welcome to your math lesson of the day. Today in 8.6 in Big Ideas Math, we are going to be learning how to subtract by tens on the number line. So in order to subtract it by tens, we need to know how to count by tens. So you notice on the number line it has the number 80. So let's count backwards from 80. So if we take 10 less from 80, what would be the next number? 70. And then what's after 70? 60. And then what's after 60? 50. Okay, here we go. Sorry about my bad 50. And then we have 40. And then we have 30. Ooh, that was a bad 3. But that is 30. But notice how that it is kind of like writing 1 through 10 on the number line, because if we imagine that the zeros and the ones place are not there, we would have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in a way. But we're going to use our number line to determine what's 80 minus 50. Or if you want to think about it this way, if you take away the zeros in the ones place, what's 8 minus 5? So notice how our dot is on the 8. And notice if we go this way, our numbers get bigger. And if we go this way in the number line, our numbers get smaller. And remember what we say about the subtraction sign? It means to take away. So when we subtract something, it's going to make something smaller. So if we put our dot on the 80, we have to count backwards 50 times or 5 times. If we count by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we landed on my bad, 30, but yes. And if you're like, oh, I don't know if I did that right on the number line, you could always add 30 plus 50 to see if that answer will equal 80. So let's check our work, and we did that correct, and let's try one more example, and I'll let you guys practice on Class Dojo or in your Big Ideas math book. So in this next problem, we have 70 minus 30. So if we count backwards from 70, or what's one less of 7? 6, but then we have to make that, add the 0 to the ones place to make it 60. And then we have 50. And then we have 40. Yeah, it's very challenging to write like this. And then we have 30. And then we have, okay, I'm just going to pause on 30 because, yeah, it's difficult to write on it. But we have 70 minus 30. And remember, if we're adding something, we'll go this way on the number line. But if we're subtracting something, we're going to go this way. And notice that our dot is on the biggest number in almost all of our subtraction equation problems. So and since we're minusing 30, we'll minus 3 times, because remember on the number line we were counting by tens. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, and we landed on my bad 40. And if you're like, I don't know if I did that right, Ms. Schultz, you could do 40 plus 30 to see if that answer will equal 70. But we know 3 plus 4 is also 7. So that's one way to look at it. You can even just take away the zeros in the ones place and add just by by the 7, 3, and 4. But if you would like to get more additional practice with this in 8.6 or any other lesson in Chapter 8 in Big Ideas Math, let me know and I'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.